rivers of blood in my neighborhood, locking my doors like my neighbors should. There's rivers of blood in my neighborhood, locking my doors like my neighbors should. I said, beep, beep, yeah, ring the alarms. I said, beep, beep, yeah, ring the alarms. I saw the officer get out, saw the flashing blue light. Probably a robbery, it could have been a fight. Still the same conclusion, it's a certain intrusion. It's a battle out there and I think I must be losing. Still I dust myself down and I watch the tide frown. Tidy up this mess and I start the second round. Come to the conclusion that the perpetrator's using, and in the long run it's a fucker who is losing. That's a bit big, yeah, ring the alarms. I said beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. There's rivers of blood in my neighborhood, and I'm locking my doors like my neighbors should. There's rivers of blood in my neighborhood, locking my doors like my neighbors should. That's a beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. I said beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. So now a week has gone past and the memories still last, but girlfriend's up in arms, gotta get out of it fast. Still the same conclusion, certain intrusion. Robbers in your house cause a state of delusion. It's a long-term effect, but if I am correct, perpetrator of this crime he cannot recollect. Still sitting here waiting for the memory to fade. Police are on my goods when I next get paid. That's a beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. I said beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. There's rivers of blood in my neighborhood, and I'm locking my doors like my neighbors should. There's rivers of blood in my neighborhood, and I'm locking my doors like my neighbors should. That's a beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. I said beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. Now give it to me one time. There's a fuck up in the air and the government can care, while the bummy on the beat, well, he's pulling out his hair. Think the only legislation and proper registration, take a crime wave off the street into rehabilitation's a long-term effect. And if I'm correct, the perpetrator of this crime he cannot recollect. Still sitting here waiting for the memory to fade. Policing on my goods when the next hit paid. That's a beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. I said beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. Because there's rivers of blood in my neighborhood, and I'm locking my doors like my neighbors should. Rivers of blood in my neighborhood, and I'm locking my doors like my neighbors should. Beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. I said beep beep, yeah, ring the alarms. Rivers of blood in my neighborhood, locking my doors like my neighbors should. That's a rivers of blood in my neighborhood, locking my doors like my neighbors. Contemplate, I don't mean to dictate. Seems we are living in a police state. Alcohol bans when I'm drinking in the street. No youth congregation where the kids supposed to meet. I'm hurting, some closer than you tell me how to breathe. And I'm hiding in the wilds where your eyes can't see. I have seen all the day cause I need to explain. Force-fed reason is a reason to complain. Put down a lighter in a public space. I put down a bottle in a public space. I put down a Rizzler in a public space. But tell me, what's public about this place? Like a battle for Seattle and I'm fighting for throttle like an urban camelback. It's a hard my bar. Newfound hideout where it's safe to enjoy, and a closed door policy to the people who employ these newfound rules. Regulations and sour, legislation's heavy and it's out on out. I'm no law breaker, never started no war. Nature of the state is giving me just cause I put down a lighter in a public space. I put down a bottle in a public space. I put down a Rizzler in a public space. But tell me, what's public about this place? Public space. Public space. Public space. Public space. I put down the Rizzler, move away from the lighter, but in my heart, yeah, I'm still a prize fighter. Cause I'll pick up this break and paint some public art. Check out the feeling, show the roots and the heart. We gotta break the alienation with a passion for compassion. Prove to each other we can love without rational rhyme or reason. Break this public treason. I put down a lighter in a public space. I put down a bottle in a public space. I put down a Rizzler in a public space. But tell me, what's public about this place? Public space. Public space. Public space. Public access. They are enemy, yeah, red lights flash, but another warning light. Losing faith in the Hollywood sign. They see I'm living in the picture house screen. Tell me, is this the dream? I manifest destiny and economic for me, and all in the name of democracy. Like TV screen, it's democracy. Like TV screen. Hollywood a go-go, an economic promo, disaster movies tell me it's alright. Seen a superhero, an anti-slogan zero, stubborn as the slackers in the middle of the night. Born of hypocrisy and unsettled destiny, and guns in the schoolroom, lot of seen the light. Manifest destiny and economic growth for me, and all in the name of democracy. On TV screen, it's democracy. On TV screen. Question at a time, and I still can't believe this remains to deceive. And the question to myself is, how long democracy? I TV screen, it's democracy. I TV screen, it's democracy.